ION is the new generation of lifts. ION, a lift which has everything as standard, providing unrivaled levels of comfort, safety, and energy savings. Want to know how we did it? We have replaced the conventional steel cables with polymer cables, featuring a steel core, a technology that has reinvented the lift's traction. We have removed all electrical mechanical contactors to achieve a completely silent assembly. ION is almost entirely built in high-strength, lightweight steel. The new design reduces the equipment's total weight by more than 30%, contributing to a significant reduction of energy consumption. The control panel is now located in the door frame on the top floor. We have reduced the machine's size by 70%, so we have a cabin up to 30% larger. A lift, which previously held 6 people, can now hold 8. ION is equipped as standard with a 10-inch TFT screen that provides passengers with general and personalized information as well as entertainment. We have designed the button panel for a more modern and elegant design. ION is highly customizable with 3 cabin designs: Comfort, Elegance, and Elite, each with numerous finish options. At FAIN, we are committed to the environment. That's why we have developed new clean technologies offering low energy consumption. We have created a revolutionary lift, the ION Green, a lift with the highest energy rating. It only needs 400 watts to run, just 1/4 of what a hairdryer needs. It makes up to 100 journeys without an electrical connection in the event of a power outage. It regenerates energy to use in its operation. Optionally, you can connect the ION to solar panels in its green solar version. A socially aware lift that seeks to take advantage of the sunlight, ION includes connection, a connectivity system in constant communication with our customer care center and our technicians, and it controls the lift's operation 24/7. With ION, you get more comfort, more safety, more savings. ION, the new generation of lifts. FAIN, committed to you.